What are you guys doing? You guys looking for some food? Huh? You know I got some shrimp for you. Alright. I'll give you some. And you too. You're our buddy too. You know I'm not going to forget. I'm going to get it out. He's going to be the first one to come. Okie dokie. Who's coming? Hello. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I knew it. This one's a little big for you. Okay. I'm going to give it to the heron first. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Okay. You know, I've got one for you, too. Yes, I do. Awesome. And do it one more time? Okay.